all of this $100? Like, I don't know. Like, we gonna let's dive into it. Let's look at everything, and you guys tell me if this do this look like $100? Hey girlies, welcome to my channel. My name is Ciera Michelle, and in today's video I will be doing a hygiene shop with me. So right now I'm out and about, and I'm just like, why don't I film me just film me doing my hygiene shopping? Because I'm literally doing my Sunday reset routine, buying groceries, buying, you know, a few clothes, a little pick-me-ups, and I'm like, I'm about to do my shopping. Why? I know I look a little like, I know I look a little crazy, it's super hot and all that stuff, but I'm like, I'm gonna show you guys my hygiene shopping routine. I usually start at the dollar store and try to see what I can find before I go to Walmart, Ulta, and then probably Target. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do a haul at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get started and stay tuned for the rest of the video. People do this with the music, but fragrance and Dr. Teal's it doesn't agree with my body like any of their bath products. It just doesn't agree with my body. Hey y'all, so I'm done with the hygiene shopping. Let me turn my air down. But I'm pretty much done, and I feel like I didn't get enough footage. So we are gonna go back to my house and we're going to do a haul of everything. And I naturally wear glasses, so I'm behind the wheel. I'm about to go home, and y'all, I got my glasses on. So let's get into the next part of the video, which will be the haul of everything. I went to Ulta, I went to Dollar Tree, I went to Walmart. Only place I didn't go to today was Target. So this is our first hygiene shopping video. There will be more to come. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot just with doing this video. And I will tell you this, I don't know how people be recording these videos in the store when there's music, there's babies, there's kids crying, screaming, it's all type of stuff going on. And today's a Sunday, so like it's a lot of people out. And I really wanted to accomplish this video and stick to doing it, because I kept telling myself, you know what, I'm gonna just do it later, and I never do it later. So I wanted to finish this video, and here it goes. It's raw, it's real, and the only thing I can do is improve from here. So yeah, let me stop rambling and we will continue the haul in the next clip. Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. So right now I'm just in my little studio room, and if you see, I got a little backdrop behind me because I'm really trying to work on my aesthetic and what I want, like, you know, the aesthetics and the vibes to be. And I really do love a professional backdrop, so I'm experimenting with more using backdrops, and plus I wanted to use it for like other things, and I'm experimenting with my lighting. So I hope it looks good. But I'm just at home, I'm chilling. Also, if you haven't tried the Simply Spiked lemonades, these are super good. So I like me a little mimosa, a little wine, or something to wind down in the evening, and I usually take this time to decompress, focus on self-care and skincare. But right now, before I get into that part of my day, let me show you guys these hygiene products. So from Ulta, I just picked up a few items. So from Ulta, I just got me a Morphe eyebrow pencil. I love Morphe eyebrow pencils. They're super like just defining, and those are my everyday pencils. I love them. I usually buy them in bulk online, but I gotta step my makeup game up because I don't usually wear makeup anymore. Then I just got me some eye patches from grwm. So when I went into Ulta recently, I found these new eyelashes, and I feel like they were giving like luxury but affordable. And I really do love Kiss eyebrow eyelashes. I feel like I can use them a few times. But this is how they look. So they might not look like nothing to you guys, but if you're doing like videos and stuff like that, you really want your eyelashes to pop. And I want to get back into just my makeup game. And when I post Instagram content, I need everything to look good. So from the dollar store, I just got some really basic clear containers for like, I was thinking I could put like skincare into these. Like I plan on like trying to make me my own scrubs or my own at-home oils, lip scrubs and stuff like that. So from the dollar store, Dollar Tree in general, I love Dollar Tree because I will get my snacks for work, my snacks that I keep in my car. I get all those things from Dollar Tree because they're only $1, and I just think that's just saving money opposed to going to Walmart and them being like $2, $3. Then from Dollar Tree, I just got me some, I guess these are like facial pads like that you can wash your face with. At the dollar store, I just found this lip scrubber, and I'm just like, this is so like, everything for the self-care was like really random. So I really love this because I cannot wait to scrub these lips, and it looks like it's gonna be super flimsy and like not too rough. So also, lastly, from the Dollar Tree, I really got like 2 of these. One of these I'm already using, but these are like ice trays, and they're like the silicone kind. I don't know about y'all, but it's like Walmart's starting to try to get up there and be expensive, because why did one bag of hygiene products cost $100? All of this $100? Like, I don't know. Like, let's dive into it. Let's look at everything, and you guys tell me if do this look like $100? The total, I was just thinking to myself, like, this isn't clicking, Steven. So from Walmart, I just got me some Goli gummies and apple cider vinegar. I can taste the acidicness of the apple cider vinegar, but it's not too strong. So I love the Goli gummies, and I feel like I am on my health journey. I'm on my health journey. I'm losing weight. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very much so motivated. So I got these, and these are a part of my like morning routine. I take my gummies, drink my coffee, drink my water, write in my journal. Like, that's me. So nextly from Walmart, I just got me a tongue scraper. I should have got this in a 2-pack for my boyfriend, but I only got one. But he loves a tongue scraper, and I'm getting into that too. Like, a tongue scraper is definitely needed. I think I need one now, but I'm not gonna even show y'all my tongue. Like, the oral hygiene is a must-have, like, period. So speaking of oral hygiene, I just got me some more toothpaste. Can't go wrong with a little Sensodyne. So this is super kind of random, but it's also like, for me, it's self-care related. So I just got me some more plugins for my house, and I just like my space to smell good. Like, when I clean up, I light a candle. But it's nice to like have that fragrance going kind of like all day. So I just want to keep like re-upping on my fragrances around the house, and I wanted to definitely like get into keeping my home clean, keeping it smelling good, and just keeping it clean and organized. Nextly, I just got some Dove exfoliating body polish in this brown sugar and coconut butter scent. I love Dove body polish, and I wanted to really try that scent out. It's super like not too rough on my skin, but we're gonna see if it's like gonna make me break out or what. Like, I'm definitely sensitive when it comes to body care, but I feel like Dove is a little on the gentle side, so we'll see about that. Then I just got me a like this is like a stretch washcloth. You can do your back and all those different angles. Like, I can really thoroughly scrub and clean and exfoliate, And that's what I love to do. I love when I'm in the shower, I turn it up super hot. I'm scrubbing the hell out of myself, and then I'm like, I just feel like the more I scrub, the more I'm clean. But so this is my first time trying this razor out. I felt like this was that razor that's going to really prevent ingrown hairs and also do what needs to be done. Like, I feel like this was stepping up my self-care and my like shower routine. Nextly, I wanted to try out Dr. Bronner's Pure Cast House Baby Unscented Soap, because we know the girl is sensitive, so unscented for me. Also, when it comes to taking a shower, I love me some Dove Sensitive. I swear by Dove Sensitive, it does me like, it just agrees with my body. I want to try the hypoallergenic fragrance-free kind. I want to try that because I feel like that will do the same as the Dove Sensitive, but we shall see. So this wraps up my hygiene shopping video. This is my first time filming it, and I'm super happy that I at least attempted to film this. I know I looked a hot mess, no makeup on for real, just a little eyebrows and a little lip gloss, so natural face. But you know what, if you want to film something, if you want to do something in life, you have to fail your way to like being, what is it called? You gotta fail your way to being better. Okay, I don't know what the saying is called. I was trying to be real woke right there, but look, pretty much if you want to do something, just go after it. Don't wait until you have the right camera, the right filming equipment, the right backdrop. Don't keep waiting, because you're gonna be waiting your whole life to be the person you want to be. You gotta fail to become that perfect version. You gotta start somewhere. A lot of people don't just become perfect or become the top influencer or YouTuber. You gotta start somewhere. So for me, I just wanted to start. I just wanted to do it. Like, so long I've been saying I wanna do a hygiene shopping, and I never did it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just do it. I'm already out, I'm running errands. Why don't I just film this? If I like it, post it. If I don't like it, you're gonna still post it. You might take it down a little bit later, but we're gonna post it. We're gonna put it in God's hands, and we're gonna work on, definitely when I come back on YouTube, wearing makeup, making sure my hair looks good, clothes, all that. We're gonna make sure everything is aesthetically pleasing, but let's just start progressing. Let's start from step 1, and we'll get to step 10, and we'll have everything together eventually. But if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I will see you guys in my next video.